Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to recover your deleted reels and stories on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Then, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Your Activity. Now, tap on the Recently Deleted option. In the Reels section, you'll see a list of all the reels you've deleted. If you want to restore one, just tap on the reel you want to recover. Once the reel is open, tap the three dots and select Restore. Confirm by tapping Restore again. Your deleted reel will now be recovered. If you want to recover a deleted story, go to the Stories section. Here, you'll find all the stories you've deleted. Tap on the one you like to restore. After that, click on the More option and select Restore. Your story will be restored to your profile. Now, when you return to your profile, you'll see that both your deleted reels and stories have been successfully recovered. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like.